In this video, we're going to show you how to avoid common bookkeeping mistakes using technology. Keeping track of your finances accurately is essential for the success of your business, and with the right tools, it's easier than you think. Whether you're a small business owner or managing personal finances, avoiding common mistakes is crucial, and the right software can make all the difference. Stick with me until the end, and I'll share a powerful tool that can help you do just that with an exclusive free trial just for you. Let's dive in. The first mistake people often make is failing to automate recurring tasks. If you're manually entering data for things like invoicing, bank reconciliation, or expense tracking, you're wasting valuable time and risking errors. With technology, you can set up these tasks to be automated, freeing you up to focus on the more important aspects of your business. Another mistake is poor categorization of expenses. Without the proper organization, your financial reports can get messy, which makes it harder to get a clear picture of where your money is going. Most bookkeeping software allows you to create categories for your expenses and even automate categorization based on recurring transactions. This ensures consistency and accuracy across your financial records. A third mistake is not keeping track of receipts and documents in an organized way. If you're still storing paper receipts in a drawer or on your phone's camera roll, it's time to switch to a more efficient system. With the right software, you can upload and store receipts digitally, making them easy to find when you need them. Some software even integrates with your bank accounts, so every transaction is automatically recorded and matched with a receipt. Now, one of the most overlooked mistakes is failing to back up your data. It's easy to forget, but losing your financial data due to a system crash or technical failure can be catastrophic. Most modern bookkeeping software offers cloud-based backups, ensuring your data is safe and always accessible. Make sure you choose software that includes automatic backups to give you peace of mind. We also can't ignore the importance of accurate tax calculations. A common mistake people make is underestimating the complexity of tax reporting and not using the right tools to calculate it. Using advanced software with integrated tax functions can help ensure your tax calculations are accurate and up to date, reducing the risk of costly mistakes. So how do you avoid these mistakes and set yourself up for success? By using technology to automate, organize, and protect your financial data. It's simple, effective, and will save you a lot of time and stress. To help you follow along and avoid these mistakes, I recommend using software designed to streamline your bookkeeping. In the description below, I've included an exclusive free trial of this software just for viewers of my channel. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your bookkeeping to the next level. Let's quickly recap the main points we covered. First, automate your recurring tasks to save time and reduce errors. Second, use categorization features to keep your expenses organized. Third, store receipts and documents digitally for easy access. Fourth, make sure your data is backed up regularly. And finally, use software that can help with accurate tax calculations. The key takeaway is that technology is your best ally in avoiding common bookkeeping mistakes. The right software will help you stay organized, save time, and give you peace of mind. Don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.